Hello, this is Beijing Minute with this week's top stories from Asia and China. I'm Brian Michael Galvin.
And I'm Mara Lee.
This week, China launched the Asia Infrastructure Investment Bank. China's premier said that the bank is following the trend of economic globalization. What do you think, Mara?
I think this is going to be particularly interesting to watch because, as a China led initiative, I expect that we'll see a lot of the infrastructure investments stay within the region. President Xi made headlines this week when he made his first official state visit to the Middle East. He visited Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Iran, where he focused on making pledges for financial support, including anti terrorism efforts, and making the case for closer bilateral exchange.
Another focus of his has been on securing resources for China, especially oil.
Meanwhile, 2016 has been off to a bit of a rocky start, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's crazy, especially since the yuan depreciated against the dollar, as well as stock market losses earlier this year.
And the 2015 GDP just came in, a historic 25-year low of 6.9%.
Yeah, but that's within reasonable range, say some Chinese economists.
I think the Chinese were expecting it, and it still had international implications. Obviously, we saw that in the stock market last week.
Exactly. Well, thank you everyone for watching this week's edition of Beijing Minutes. Please make sure to leave us a comment or any questions you would like for us to answer in next week's video.
Great. See you next week.